The easiest way to make $100 a day. Want to make an extra $100 a day without doing anything complicated? The easiest way is freelancing a simple skill online. Pick one skill people always need: writing, graphic design, video editing, social media posting, or even voiceovers. Start on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer a service people can buy quickly. For example, charge $20 per job for short video captions or thumbnail designs. Just 5 clients a day equals $100. The secret is speed and repetition. Offer something simple you can finish fast. Businesses and creators are always looking for affordable help, and once you get good reviews, clients start coming back. The best part? You don't need a huge audience or lots of money to start. One skill, one platform, 5 sales a day. That's one of the easiest paths to making an extra $100 daily online.